Please stand by. An important message will follow. This is a special message interrupting the normal broadcast.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 469, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Boyd, Carter, Elliott, Greenup, and Lawrence County, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia: Cabell and Wayne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a heat advisory.